In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on toggle keys on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. Where it says toggle keys, play a sound when you press caps, num, or scroll lock. Click inside that oval to toggle it to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.